Hello everyone, we are going camping. Look at Marley.
Ow.
Marley! Marley! Everyone's going!
Huh?
We're so excited.
Introduction to the video.
Okay, we are officially on our way.
Feel good.
Feels good. We all feel good.
We go together. Loved ones' lives. They did an unbelievable job exposing
Free gas giveaway.
We're driving.
Easy to win. Register at WSBRadio.com.
Lucy,
or
where are
on the
you at?
WSB Radio app.
Ah.
Listen for your name at 8 and 10
Lucy.
a.m.
To end food waste, but we can't do it alone. And we hope you'll join us in creating a world with
Okay guys, so we just got on the trail. Jacques carrying a lot of stuff.
And he's being grumpy.
Marley, he's got his little pack on. Lucy's really not carrying any weight. Lucy, you're just here. She can see Marley's pretty hot. He's laid down to get his water.
That's how tired you are, Marley? For real?
He's tired already. It's been like 5 minutes. Jacques is a little bit tired.
Now you're tired.
Okay, so we stopped. We think we found a good little spot. Marley really feels like he has a job right now. Like he's on the lookout. He's carrying his shit.
Huh?
He's good. Marley, you're doing really good, bud. You're doing really good. Marley, come on. I know it's so hard. Lucy, come on. Go down. Let's go.
Come here. Lucy, come here. Lucy, come here.
This is going really well so far. Jacques doing most of the work. They are eating stuff and playing. I'm doing a lot of stuff too, so it's good. Yay!
Alright, now connect the food. Alright.
Go ahead. They may be tied off at the tree. I don't know. That one back there, maybe? We made it. It's beautiful. Got a little fire going, and some beans, and some hot dogs, in a can. Pretty sure that we're all alone out here now.